In this video, I'm going to walk you through every section of this brand new planner. We'll see what's good, we'll see what's great, and kind of discuss what I think about it. First impressions, right? So let's get into it. Hey guys, today is the day I'm finally opening up my brand new Happy Planner. Girl, not sure what that means. It is a 12-month planner. I picked the vertical layout, so it's different from my Erin Condren. And it's the January through December 12 month, and it's got the deluxe discs. Look at these babies. They're beautiful, sort of a soft rose gold. They are metal, so they have like a nice feel and sound to them. They're very lightweight, and it's my first time to use a disc planner. So, oh, that they have that like stuck on there. All right, so we're gonna open this just like it's being opened. I don't know what else to say. I guess we're just going to open this thing. Let's open it like I just got it, even though I got it a couple weeks ago, but I've been waiting to show you guys first before I even got into it. So you're going to see that I've basically got to pull this puppy apart. Okay, so, all right, but there we go. Okay, so I have released that piece of cardboard, and look at the cover. I think it's so nice. It's pretty minimal, which is why they're calling this the minimal planner. The background is essentially what looks like a blank canvas with white paint sort of placed on top. Maybe it's been put on with like a palette knife, so you can kind of see the ridges from where the paint is. I really like that a lot. The actual text is lined in rose gold, which matches the metal discs beautifully. And it says in tiny letters, "This is your year." So I hope it is. Please be right, Mr. Planner. Oh, it's not a guy though, is it? Wait, it said on the front, girl. Yeah, that should have been the giveaway. Anyway, price-wise, I'll break it down for you guys. This was, I think it says on the back. So let's look. It says $32.99, but they had all of the planners on sale for 50% off that day at Hobby Lobby. And so that's why I grabbed it, because I was like, you know, for that price, I can totally afford to get a second planner. So here we go, guys. I'm going to open it up. All right, so bye. I kind of want to just rip that off. Maybe I should. Yeah, that's satisfying. Okay, bye. There we go. All right, let's open it up. Here we go. Okay, so I've noticed when I watch other people do their planner opening that they all come with this. So it says, "Welcome to Happy Planner." Vertical layout. Our vertical layout makes it easy to keep track of lists, appointments, daily adventures. There we go. Happy planning. Very nice of you to say that. All right, so I'm going to move that to the side. Okay. So all of them have, unless somebody's broken into it, they've got this protective plastic, I don't know what you would call it, plastic thing. So here we go. Ready? See if I can even get into it. It's harder than it looks. Okay. Okay. This planner is officially open. It's like a parade. I cut the ribbon. How funny. All right. Hello. This Minimalist Happy Planner belongs to, insert my name here, Plan a Happy Life 2021. The background is kind of the same theme, where it's the acrylic paint on a canvas, kind of like a rough canvas. I really like that. I don't know why I'm assuming it's acrylic. It could be oil, but it's white paint. And this is kind of just a fun little addition. Look at this cool black splatter. I love that. Couple swatches here and there, and I think overall it's a good start. Oh, that's really beautiful. Wow. Okay, so this, depending on how it's coming out on your screen, this is a very pale blush pink, and it has the white accents and kind of a darker blush. More of the black splatter, and I can clearly see everything going on for 2021 and 2022. I like the font that they used and the easy to read black numbers. That's wonderful. Okay, moving on to the next page. Ooh, all right, so this looks like I get every single month in a list form. So I guess it has every single day, 1 through 31, let's say for March. And then I can put in here special events that I have throughout the year that, let's say, I'm planning ahead of time. So that's cool. That makes sense. Of course, you know, 2020 was basically blanks except for birthdays and holidays. So hopefully this year I've got, you know, some really fun things, maybe weddings or parties or casino night or something fun like that. So we'll see. But I like that a lot. Okay, so I get this page, and then, all right, let's see here. So this is basically like a dashboard. Okay, so this is like the Erin Condren dashboard. It's just different design. So I have a grid pattern, this month's focus, special dates and holidays to-dos, shows me what we've got in January. So New Year's Day, yay, and Martin Luther King Day. And then this month I'm grateful for. Okay, I like that a lot. I need to be writing more gratitude things in my planner. So you might be able to see that it's got a very nice font. I love that this is just kind of a simple, sophisticated font. There is sort of a hint of like a pale blue splatter. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's kind of hidden along here that matches the headers. Looking at the first page of January, it says, "What is coming is better than what is gone." Wow, heavy. All right, so I have a really plain white tab, bold black lettering. Okay, so this is my first month for January. Pretty basic, pretty expected. I love this just sophisticated font. This is cute with the handwritten notes. And yeah, so I guess the chosen color in this particular planner is going to be this beautiful sort of soft wintry blue. I like that a lot. Hey, the 13th is National Sticker Day. I need to make but like all the stickers right there, right? New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Day, and awesome. Got some friends with birthdays coming up this month. I'm very excited. All right, so moving on to the next thing, which is my weekly spread. Wow, okay. Immediately, I'm reminded of what it's like to work in a vertical planner, and I definitely kind of have to just reorient my way of thinking to think not, you know, essentially this being a block for a day, but this being a block for a day. And I'm loving the font that they've used. I think this is really beautiful, very sophisticated. And I like that the dividers are kind of narrow, not a lot to have to cover or to compete with whatever it is that my design is for the week. And I think what I'll do in the notes section, instead of actually using this to put notes, which I would prefer to put on the days themselves, I will probably cover this with a strip. And I don't know whether I'd cover it with, let's say, a pattern that matches my design for the week, or if maybe I would do like little sort of bullet squares, you know, because I've been making those lately where they're just like little rectangles or squares that are essentially a little bullet page. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how the first spread comes out. But overall, I love it. It's very clean. It's really, really pretty. All right, so moving on, it looks like the color for the month stays consistent on every day. So it's not like it gets lighter and darker like an ombre thing. It just stays really consistent and pretty. Oh, okay. So moving to February, we get a whole new color and another dashboard with the same prompts. Got the new dates here. I actually like that they're putting this here. That's really cool. And then the first artwork for February, and you can see that the tab changed. And this is one of the reasons why I bought this, because I had not seen a planner that was doing this, where basically they changed the font color. So normally you would have a planner where it's all black or it's all white or it's all whatever color matches your thing. But I liked that this switched to a different color. And you can see that the artwork for this particular month is different. It says keep moving forward. Okay, I will do that. I really like this. This is cute. This color is gorgeous. Wow, pretty. And it looks so good with the rose gold, doesn't it? Okay, moving on to the month of February. The color is this beautiful blush pink. And it's a cool tone blush, which actually Matches my brand new keyboard perfectly. What? That looks amazing. So yeah, and I will do a tutorial, or not a tutorial, but I'll probably do a little info video about this because it's fantastic and I can't wait to tell you about it. But back to the planner. Okay, so pretty much the same as the first month. And then moving into our days, you've got the same thing. And then you've got the blush. It's like the darker version of the blush as the dividers. March is green. Girl, you already have what it takes. Yes. Okay, I can do that. So it's green. Oh, I love how soft this green is. Ew, daylight savings time. Ugh, that means we have to spring forward and lose an hour of sleep. No, but it is International Women's Day. So you've got the green. May. May is the blush again. Okay. Moving forward. Okay, so they're consistently staying with the same colors like over and over again. This is my birthday month. Ooh, look at that. That looks really cool. It says you can and you will. This is beautiful. Look at that. Now this is not the rose gold. This is the traditional gold. And it matches the tab. Sorry, couldn't think of the word tab. Okay, so then, yeah, so you can kind of see how it's just going back and forth between basically the same three colors, the green, the blush, and the blue. Oh, that's pretty with the rose gold. So this matches the letter type that's on the front. Follow your heart with this gorgeous, this is perfect for October with the black and the rose gold. I love that. Oh, but then oddly, October is this blue color. Huh. All right, I can handle it. I can make it work. It would have been fun if they would have just like stepped out and made this like a really nice nutty orange, maybe? I don't know. I'm crazy. Ignore me. Okay, so then I get here and I get here. So December is green. Okay, I'm coming to the end of the planner. So what do I notice? There's nothing here. So yeah, I basically am at the end of the planner. I have a single page of notes in the back, which isn't much. And Minimalist is definitely coming to mind because there's not a lot of extra stuff in the back. I love that this says live creatively. It's the same as the front in terms of the splatter with the two blush colors. Ooh, you can see that like the trim of the plastic is, or the laminate is coming off. Ooh, interesting. But yeah, same thing on the notes page. It's basically the canvas with the, I keep wanting to say acrylic, the white paint. And yeah, so that is the end of it. And yeah, so let's look at the back. So it's just like a little thing. It says, minimalist, she loves clean design and desires only the essentials. Beauty is in simplicity. She's practical and focused on form from one day to the next. Which happy planner girl are you? Interesting. All right, so that is the planner in its entirety. I kind of thought there was going to be something in the back, but there definitely is not anything in the back. Okay, but that's actually fine because since, like I said, I'm doing two planners. Ooh, that's pretty. With more splatter. I love that. Since I'm doing two planners, you know, if I need any of the extra stuff, it's in my Erin Condren, so I'm not going to worry about it. All right, so a couple things I wanted to show you. Oops, if I can get to the front page. So when you look, here, I'm actually going to do it like that. When you look at these tabs, I'm going to pull that back so you can see. Aren't those gorgeous? I absolutely adore the way this looks. I think it looks really beautiful. This in particular. So they've done that blue font, blue text, and the white. And and look, it's back to that again. I think that's beautiful. And it's really unique. Not a lot of planners are like that. So I'm going to compare what you see with this planner. This is my Erin Condren to the Happy Planner in terms of what the tabs look like. These tabs are bigger. They stick out a little bit more. You can see these are pretty thin. But not like that's a big deal. It really isn't. But wouldn't this work with that too? Look how great that looks. So yeah. And you can see in terms of size. So I'm going to put, so this one says it's 7 inches by 9.25 inches. And here is my Erin Condren. So you can see a little bit different. I mean, they're virtually the same size. Oh, I'm super excited. I love the idea that I get to plan a little bit differently this year. It's going to give me 2 ways of thinking in terms of my weekly plans and just, I don't know. It's going to be cool. I'm excited. Oh, and look. Can you see how the discs have the heart? Isn't that great? Well, there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of my brand new Happy Planner. Thanks, guys. See you soon.